How to create Twitter account. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Tech TV. In this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can create your Twitter account. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Firstly, ensure that you have X application installed on your device. Now open the X application, and if you already have an account in there, just click on the profile. Now again click on the three dots and tap on create a new account. Again click on create account option and select your language. You can also skip this step by clicking on skip for now option at the bottom left corner. Now enter the name which you want in your account and also enter your email address. After that, add the date of birth and finally click on next button. Now sometimes they might ask you to authenticate your account, so follow the screen prompts. Once you are done, now they will ask you to enter the verification code they sent you on your email address. Open your email and copy the code you get in your email address. Once you entered your verification code, finally click on next button, and now you will need to create a strong password in order to secure your account. Once you create your password, click on next button. Now you can add a profile picture in order to add into your account. In order to get started, you must follow one account, and once you follow your account, click on next button, and now you are good to go. So in this easy and simple way, you can create Twitter account. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We will meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.